Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. Friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now let's move towards the details of our today's video. Friends, in this video I am sharing a very beautiful and a wide variety of design ideas of hand embroidered kurtis. And different type of hand embroidered stitches have been used to design these kurtis. And the idea and the design style and the pattern of these kurtis is very decent, delicate and decorative. All of these kurtis are designer style kurtis, and these designs are 2-in-1. That is, these patterns could be used for machine embroidery and hand embroidery as well. Even by using these and following these exactly made patterns as shown in this video, you can also make an art of fabric painting. You can also do hand painting like pearl paints, embossed paint, pigma paint or acrylic paints. Before going into the further details of this video, I have a simple request to you, that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my videos for the very first time, then friends, kindly do subscribe my channel right now, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And on my channel you can get all type of very beautiful, very trendy and DIY type women fashion world designer ideas, hand embroidery, hand art, fabric painting, mirror work, gota work, wool embroidery, applique work, and much more related to the art of women fashion, knitting, crochet designing, different lace patterns, step-by-step tutorials for beginners, mehndi designs, jewelry designs, DIY creative home decor ideas, baby dress designing, footwear, original gemstones and their horoscopic point of view, and different types of DIY masks, and much more related to women fashion. So I would not exaggerate or extend the further detailing about the type and the categories of fashion that we use to share with our viewers. Now let's move back towards the details of our today's video. We will not be demotivated or defocused from the main content which we are going to discuss in this video, that is the embroidery patterns, the styling technique, the stitching ideas, and the patterns could also be seen, because this video has numerous and different dimensions. If you could see with the way in a very creative and a brain boosting manner, you can get creative and designer type very easy to make stitching ideas of the dresses as well. These kurtis are designer style, and at the same time they contain very easy, decent and delicate, simple, medium and heavy, all type of embroidery neckline design patterns. Different types of colors and different shades of fabric have been used, ranging from light colors, decent colors, floral colors, simple plain fabric, bright colors to dark shades. All the design content have been covered in this video to give the viewers a very wide and a broad perspective. I am repeating it again that in this video I am sharing 120 plus very creative and beautiful design ideas. And the beauty of this video is that this video could be used for a number of ways in a variety of dimensions, that is Eastern as well as Western girls and women can make these very beautiful patterns. And the thread which is being used in all of these designs is anchor and DMC. You can also use wool for making these very beautiful embroidery patterns. The embroidery contains different geographical regions, patterns of neckline, sleeves, and all over heavy to medium and side neckline patterns. Lucknowi chikankari is also included, which is the best and the most wanted Indian designer wear style, with some very basic and easy embroidery stitches like chain stitch, fly stitch, stem stitch, lazy daisy stitch, Brazilian stitch, French knot, Boolean knot, pinwheel stitch, satin stitch, and Mexican stitches have been used to mostly make all of these very beautiful patterns. Friends, if you don't like hand embroidery designs or you don't know the art of hand embroidery, then no need to worry about it. You can exactly use these patterns for machine embroidery as well. And the designs are unique in itself and at the same time very funky, attractive and stylish. If you are a beginner or you an embroidery artist or you have a small setup of business in which you sell different types of self-made designer or fashion design based dresses, then this video collection is absolutely for you, because all of these designs are very decent, delicate, simple, and at the same time they are very easy to make. An embroidery artist can make them very short amount of time utilized and with a less amount of effort done, and they can make a handsome amount of money as well. I hope that my today's video is helpful for you and you have gotten all of your favorite and creative and very stylish and unique and trendy design patterns for which you have been looking for. Friends, you can design these patterns and very beautifully these kurtis for designing your Eid outfits, Eid dresses. Even you can also use these very beautiful and classy style ideas for formal outfits, like if you are a working person, workaholic, then you can use this for as your formal dresses for office outfits. If you are a girl or teenager, you are going to school, college or university, you can use these for college or university dresses as well, because they represent a very beautiful and a delicate sign of decency. Friends, kindly be patient and be humble and watch the video till end. Don't go anywhere, and you will be amazed to get all the very beautiful and stylish trendy ideas. Friends, the designs are decent and delicate, but I would bet that you would not find very beautiful, decent and elegant designs anywhere else in one simple collection like I have been suggesting you. I hope that you are understanding my suggestions and opinions of designing your dresses, and you will put them into ideas. And don't forget to comment below the video and kindly let us know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you in our more upcoming videos, because commenting is the only way of our communication with you, and comments are the only way through which we get to know about what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with us. So friends, with this, allow me to leave. Thank you so much for watching my content. Hope to see you soon back in my channel with my new videos in my new content. Up till then, take care of yourselves, stay blessed, be happy, spread positivity, be positive and be a cause of positive motivation for others. Try to achieve your goals and try to help others and try to ease the hurdles of others so that your hurdles and problems could be removed automatically. Thank you so much once again. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Jazakallah.